Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can start or stop exercise mode on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down and tap on modes and routines. Next, tap on exercise. Now, because exercise hasn't been set up yet, so we need to tap on the start button to begin the setup. In here, you can choose June exercise. Tap on the settings icon, and then it said that you can select which mode to use. This mode will turn on when you start selected exercise manually in Samsung Health. So in Samsung Health, you can say if I turn on hiking, then exercise mode will automatically switch on. So at the moment, all of them are selected. You can choose turn off one of the options in here. So let's say back extension. If I start back extension exercise in Samsung Health, then exercise mode will not be switched on because it is not selected. And then so go down and select your options and then tap on the done button. Down here is the open app, so you can choose which apps to open during exercise. So you can choose, say, to open up your gallery app, Facebook app, your calculator app, or any apps that you want to select. So say phone app in here, tap on done. So tap on next after you have selected an app, then tap on next. In here, you can choose to turn on or turn off do not disturb during exercise. You can choose whether to allow calls or messages during exercise. Here, you can choose from favorite contacts only, or none. Very similar to messages, you can choose between all contacts only, favorite contacts only, or none. At the moment, it is set to none for both calls and messages, so no text messages will disturb you during this time. At the moment, at the top here, you can tap on add contacts to add in individual contacts. So if you only want to allow one contact to call you during this time, you can tap on, you can select a contact from the contact list. And that's it. Down here are app notifications. None are allowed to send you notifications during this mode. If you want, you can tap on add apps to add in an exception. So here, let's say Gmail, I want my emails to arrive and notify me as soon as possible, even when this mode is on. So I'm going to allow Gmail. Now tap on the done button to finish, and then tap on the back key to go back to this screen. After that, tap on the next button. And so here, choose a settings to apply when exercise mode starts. So you can choose to play music. So select an app to play music. So it can be any app that you have available on your device. Could be Spotify. Media volume, so you can choose to increase or decrease your volume on your device, or your Bluetooth audio, or your headphone wire. So these are the default volume settings when you are starting your exercise mode. And sound mode and volume, you can also change that as well during your exercise mode. Once exercise mode is switched off, then all of your settings will revert back to your default settings on your device. And then tap on done to complete. And that's it. Now you can tap on the turn on button to start exercise mode. And again, once exercise mode switch on, all of these settings will change accordingly. And when you turn off exercise mode, all of these settings will be removed. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.